got there? Did Grandpa send some stuff? He did? What do we say? Thank you, Grandpa. Thank you, Grandpa. Thank you, Grandma. Very good. Very cool. You got Halloween stuff. Oh, hey! You have to be careful.